Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here, watching the stunning flight performance and good quality of Hobby T720 RC glider. I went ahead and got myself the all-new Hobby S720, which is an aerobatics plane. So after you have learned to fly RC planes using the Hobby T720 glider and you want to get something more aerobatic, something more agile and performer, you can get yourself the Hobby S720. Now, Hobby S720 is sports radio control aircraft with built-in stabilization system. Has same kind of modular design that you have watched in my previous video on T720 RC glider, and they have the similar box as well. Now, before I open the box, Hobby S720 is running OFS, that is Fly System, which is a flight system, stabilization system for fixed wing RC aircraft developed by Hobby, especially for their own RC airplanes. And let me show you what comes inside. Basically, it's almost the same thing, the same way like I unboxed the T720 glider. So you have 3 boxes inside, okay? 1, 2, and 3. Inside this box, I was really happy to see I have 2 batteries. Thank you very much, Hobby, for sending 2 batteries. There's a battery charger right here, USB, and it's a similar kind of radio, okay, that comes with the T720 glider, okay. You have normal and sports flight, you have sticks, on-off button, and trick button that you hold for 2 seconds or more than 2 seconds, and the plane will perform trick automatically. That was radio control, and in this box, you have the main wings and the horizontal stabilizer, and the main box here, the big one, has the user manual, the main fuselage, okay, check this out, looking nice, and accessories, spare prop, propeller, spare prop, and landing gear. Okay, now the assembly should be very straightforward. Just like before on a T720 glider, the wings are basically detachable very easily. The servos are concealed servos, okay, so there's nothing outside you can see on the wing. This is really a very nice design. I simply love it. So here comes the second wing, okay, click, fits, very nice. And now these 2 pieces are gonna go here. There you go. It has to have a click, okay? So your plane is almost ready. It's almost the same size as that plane, okay, the T720 glider. And now we can add the landing gear. Hold on. Just like this. Okay, 1, 2. It has to lock, okay? And that's not it. We have the tail gear as well, which should go in the tail right here. It's a tail dragger, right? Okay. Comes the propeller with the spinner. Just like that. Just like that. Tighten it. There you go. The beautiful Hobby S720 aerobatics plane is basically ready. Okay, the plane is ready. Everything works in order as it should. So do remember, today is very windy, so do not expect me And also, yeah, I don't have much skills for aerobatic planes, so don't expect too much aerobatics. I'll just try to do some basic stuff. First, let's get used to the RC airplane S720's behavior and performance, and then we'll do some aerobatics. Nobody? Okay, here we go. Now this is not an upwing, this is aerobatics plane, but look at the performance. Oh man, stabilization is really kicking in a lot and making it easier for me to control it. See how the wind is slapping it around? Basically, this is a plane you can actually hover. So you see, I have stopped at one place. It's not going forward. Sweet! I am having fun to basically hover it here. Throttle response is immediate and very, very nice. Very nice. So far, I'm just trying to get used to its behavior. Hovering at one place. Nice, man. That is really nice. It has plenty of power for a climb. Check this out. In beginner mode, it will not allow any aerobatics. If you want to do aerobatics, you will have to do the magic button. That is a trick button. Press and hold it for 2 seconds. Let's try it. Hold on, and I hope I don't crash it. Here we are. Sweet! Did you see that roll? It was nice. I mean, it will make beginners really happy. Say, wow, look, I did a roll. So hold on, let me bring it back. To perform the aerobatics with the trick button, you will have to have some good altitude, and that's what I'm doing. Press. Awesome. That was nice. Okay, I'm gonna switch to sports mode now. Okay, sports mode. Okay, now it's like complete manual control right here, man. And on this windy day, definitely I cannot do much actually. Anytime you want, you can basically switch to beginner mode and it becomes really stable. This is really very, very crazy windy day for this kind of planes basically. This is complete manual control. I love to hover them, planes, and see them fly backward, you know. So I'm doing some strange kind of aerobatics. You can actually do, how to say, knife edge as well. I managed to do inverted flight for a while. You should be able to do knife edge as well on this plane, but not today. Today is just way too windy. Okay, back to beginner mode. And I will be happy to do this. Just push the trick button and cheat yourself. I'm having fun with the cheater way. The auto trick button. And here I go again in manual mode. Uh-oh, where are you going, plane? Come back here. It's really windy. You can see I'm barely bringing the plane to my left side. Also because there's sun and it always goes in my eyes. And I'm in the sun, but I managed to pull it back. Now today it's really very windy to actually do any kind of other type of aerobatics. I can just basically pull basic rolls and loops, you know, with this windy day and go inverted. Yeah, this is actually good to practice inverted flight. plane does have power and performance. It's just that, you know, my skills are not very good. I have to give myself more rudder time. I do most of these aerobatics using ailerons and elevators only. I need to spend some more time on flight simulator. For a 7.4 volt battery, it is basically plenty of flight time and performance. Stabilization system really works very well, man. It kicks in real fast and helps you control the plane really quickly. Hey, I said I want to land, but I'm actually still flying it. I'm having fun, man. I'm having fun. Let's land and conclude the flight today, and basically we'll wait for, oh, what a sweet landing. Basically I will wait for a non-windy day, and then we will see how well it performs. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.